In design, form follows function. Topology study, built with Simulia technology and fully integrated into SOLIDWORKS Simulation 2018, gives users early insight to optimal part form. Starting with a basic shape, real-life conditions are defined, leveraging SOLIDWORKS simulation fixtures and loads. These can be as simple as a single load or include results from SOLIDWORKS motion or flow simulation. Topology study generates results based on user-defined goals and constraints, like maximizing strength while reducing mass, along with manufacturing controls like symmetry, thickness, and preserved regions to allow for mating components and finish machining. Using the Load Case Manager, Topology study can even account for multiple load cases simultaneously, providing a more comprehensive result based on the full set of conditions the part will experience. Users can generate mesh results for use in additive manufacturing processes, use simulation display to speed feature creation, and reuse their setup, copying the study to a new type to validate the performance of their design. Bring form and function together in the design process with Topology study.